dominant thoughts mo, Alan?
Well, through God's grace, Kuya Boy, basta't election naman, it's always interesting times. And of course, yung nangyari the last few months, may pain, may sorrow, may alitan, which made it hindi lang interesting di ba? Emotionally engaged at saka what's the right word, Kuya Boy, na parang nakataya ang mga tao.
Oo.
Of course, after the result, it became not only interesting but exciting to many kasi nga for the first time in a long time, hindi one or two groups lang yung nanalo. Yung every single group na representing the country, more or less, ay may pambato na either nanalo or did very well.
Did you expect that, Alan?
We expected some things that weren't expected. Now, what do I mean by that? So, yung iba nagulat nung si Senator Robin nag-number 1 nun. Kami, nagulat kami nun nung si Senator Po ang nag-number 1. However, after those, the 2019-2022 election, even yung mga pollsters were saying, there'll always be one or two that will zoom up. But ang question mo siguro is, ang question is it from number 14 to 7? Is it 6 to 1? Diba? But yung mix ngayon, and I'm sure pag-uusapan natin sino-sino yon, I don't think anyone expected it that way. But everyone expected to be somewhat surprised, happily or sadly, because nga, if you looked at yung March, first time na ulit na dikit-dikit na, usually kasi 3 to 6% or 3 to 4% ang margin of error.
Plus minus.
And
yes.
parang may isa-dalawa lang na hindi pumasok sa 12, parang galit ka na sa survey, di ba? So ngayon na 4-5 ang pinag-uusapan na nagulat, na surprise, and as I said, when I say surprise, meron so much happily surprised at meron naman yung nalungkot talaga.
So pag-usapan natin ang senatorial lineup kasi ito yung hanggang ngayon palagay ko pinag-uusapan pa rin. And I'll be very honest, ang dami kong mga analysis na napanood, ang dami kong mga pag-aaral both on cam at saka sa labas ng camera. Pero parang may hinahanap pa rin ako mga paliwanag na hindi ko mahuli. Yes. Kung bakit. Halimbawa, let's go to the 12 winners. Mabilisan lamang. Senator Bongo.
On the positive side muna for everyone.
Okay.
What's good for me is everyone agrees, leadership matters.